Hi, I'm Giselle. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of an experiment on my hair. I bleached my hair about 3 weeks ago, as you can probably tell by my root. Typically, I do my roots about every 4 to 5 weeks. I did tone it after I bleached it with a Wella T18. I was happy with those results, but it has since washed out, so it's time to retone. I have a lot of yellowish tones in my hair. It's just back to being a regular bleached blonde kind of look, and I don't like it. I wanted to try something different. So today I'm going to be trying Shades EQ by Redken. I will do Strand Test before I put any of this in my hair. I cannot stress how important Strand Tests are. Super important to do them before you put anything all over your hair. Once you put something all over your hair, you can't go back. Typically when I do Strand Test, I will do it on the bottom portion of my hair. So if I don't like a shade that I put on it, nobody will be able to tell because my hair will hide it. I have 4 different shades that I'm going to be trying. I have 09P, which is Opal Glow, 09T, which is Chrome, 09B, which is Platinum Ice, and 10P, which is Ivory Pearl. They just launched a level 10 in these shades, which is pretty exciting. Previously, they only went up to a level 9, so I'm excited to try that out. I only purchased one. They have about 4 or 5 different shades, but I just purchased this one because I felt like this one would give me the result that I'm looking for, which is a platinum ashy blonde. So what I am going to do is I'm going to apply all of these into 4 different tiny strands in my hair. I will mix equal portions of the Shades EQ with the processing solution. I will let it process, I will wash it, I will dry it, and I will show you what those look like. I will then go with the shade that I like the best, or maybe I won't like any of them and just stick with my T18. I don't know, we'll have to see what they look like after the strand test, so stay tuned. Okay, so I am all done with all 4 of my strand tests. Before I show you the results, I do want to give you some tricks for strand tests to make it easier. I always use a syringe when I'm doing strand tests because the amount that you need is so minimal. You don't want to waste product if you don't have to. I have this leftover syringe from a hair treatment product that I ordered. It's really helpful. I will typically mix like 3 mLs of the processing solution and 3 mLs of the hair color or toner that you're using, or if the ratio is a bit different, just calculate that and use a syringe so you're not wasting any product. I also use foil when I'm doing these strand tests, and that's just so that the product doesn't get on other parts of your hair. If it does, it can leave little spots and you don't really want that. If you don't have aluminum foil, you could use clear plastic wrap, even a paper towel, just to help protect the rest of your hair. Okay, so I will go ahead and show you my results. So this first strand here, that is the 9T, and it is a nice very ashy blonde, but it is a little bit darker than what I want, as you can compare it to the rest of my hair. And again, that was the 9T. This front piece is the 9P. And again, way darker than I'm wanting to go, so I'm not gonna do that. I did say that I typically do my strand test in the back of my hair. I figured I would do it in the front just to make it easier to show all of you. But again, you should, if you're doing this at home, you should probably do it in the back of your hair. Switching over to, so this right side, this side came out literally purple, like my daughter said, your hair's purple. So these 2 shades are a no-go, but I will show you. This is the 9V, and it is violet base, so that is why it looks this way. If you're trying to go for this color, this would be a great one to use. And then this is the 10P. This one probably was my favorite of all 4. but again, too dark, not what I want. So if you compare it to the rest of my hair, they're just too dark. So I am going to go back to my Wella T18. I'm going to make a video on that, so if you want to check that out, the link will be right here. So I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty, home projects, travel vlogs, and how you can save money. Thanks again for watching. Be well.